Hello friends, you are seeing hashtag techno saurav, and today I am going to show you how can you install WhatsApp on Windows 7. If you are getting error or problem in downloading, see this video. Watch till end. First open Google Chrome and download WhatsApp. First open Google Chrome and search here where it is opening. It has opened. Search here up to down PC. See, open this. Open the first link and search here WhatsApp desktop. So it has opened. After opening, you can download the latest version as well as the older versions also. See, all the versions are available here, so you can download any version, download from here. And after downloading, you have to download one more app, that is 7-zip app. I have given the link in the description, so you have to download and install it in your PC. After installing and downloading WhatsApp, you have to open where you downloaded the WhatsApp. See, I have downloaded 3-4 versions, different versions of WhatsApp. See, I'm going to show you opening just by this only. See, it won't work. Simply if you open this, it won't work. As you can see, these all WhatsApps are not working. So for to run this WhatsApp in your PC, you have to right click on it. You have to go to 7-zip. This option will available when you will install 7-zip app in your PC. After go to 7-zip, you have to extract WhatsApp desktop. See, uh, my WhatsApp has been extracted, and after extracting this folder will come. You have to open this and extract the last folder also. See, I have gone to 7-zip and extract this. After extracting, this folder will appear. You have to open this. See, I am opening this. After opening, leave option will come. You have to open that and then go to net 45 and see, as you can see, WhatsApp option is there. You have to right click on this and go to send to and in desktop create shortcut. See, as you can see, WhatsApp has been installed in my PC. So I'm going to show you by running this WhatsApp. See, WhatsApp is running, but I have installed the older version, so it is asking for update. I think it will take time. If you might have downloaded the older version, update will come here and you have to click on update, and after that your WhatsApp will run successfully on Windows 7. So if you like this video, please like. If you don't like, you dislike, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.